बैक टू आशीर्वाद कलेक्शन दिल्ली। जब भी आपके यूट्यूब चैनल पे एक नोटिफिकेशन आएगा एंड देयर इट शोज आशीर्वाद कलेक्शन दिल्ली अपलोडेड अ न्यू वीडियो, so there will be something very exciting, very interesting for you all. So here I am back with new catalogs for you all. कुछ टाइम पहले हम कैटलॉग्स लाए थे लॉन प्रिंट में, लॉन कॉटन सूट्स, एंड वी गॉट इमेंस लव फ्रॉम यू ऑल. So we are back with new designs, with new colors and with new catalogs for you all. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So stay tuned till the end as I am giving you a huge offer today. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's start with the first catalog today. It's Flora catalog and we have almost 7 to 8 designs in it. So I'll be showing you each design one by one. Okay, so this is the first yellow, then we have this gray color, then we have this orange, then we have this green color, then again bluish gray color, then we have pink color, then we have another pink color, dark pinkish, then we have green color, parrot green, then we have sea green shade, and then we have beige shade. So the fabric details for this catalog is, okay, so I'll be opening yellow for you. So we have all different designs in it and we have different colors. So the main thing is the fabric details. So the fabric details I'll be telling you one by one. Extremely nice fabric and very beautiful prints. This is yellow shade. The top is pure lawn cotton digital print. The bottom is cotton which is dyed, solid dyed. This is the bottom, and then we have our very interesting part for this catalog, the dupatta, which is pure chiffon digital print dupatta. So here we have very lightweight, very pretty, very beautiful design for you all. Photo khichna. Okay, so this was the first catalog, Flora one. So again I am showing you color one by one. We have sea green, design similar to the yellow one. Orange shade, design similar to the yellow one. Then we have another design with green color and orange matching. Then we have beige with pink shade. Then we have baby pink shade with parrot green, different design. Grey shade with blue matching, different design. Then parrot with pink, grey shade, and then we have dark pink shade. Different designs, and we have colors also, 1 or 2 colors in each design. Coming to the next catalog is our all famous catalog, all time famous catalog, Nagin. Very beautiful concept, very beautiful fabric, very beautiful design, and marvelous colors according to the summers. So we have 8 different colors and designs in it. I'll be showing it. Pink. So the dupatta is in contrast, not in matching. The bottom and top is of same color. We have grey, we have green, we have pink again, we have yellow, we have orangish peach, we have beige with yellow, very different shade. We have cream with little bit touch of green and a very different shade. It's looking very pretty. So I'll be opening this one only for you. Again, the same fabric. Top is of pure lawn cotton digital print. Bottom is solid dyed, and Dupatta is chiffon, digital print dupatta. Very beautiful dupatta, double shade. Very pretty. You can have a look. Then this is the similar design you'll get. Okay, the next design we have for you is Kabul. I'll be showing you the colors. White with blue and maroon, then a little orangish creamish with orange, then pink, then black, then we have green, we have mehndi, we have yellow, we have a gray shade, and we have again one greenish shade. So it is all white based basically, and very soothing color for summers. So I'll be coming up to one shade, that is yellow. So I'll be opening yellow. Again, I'm speaking the fabric details. Top is pure cotton lawn digital print. Then we have our bottom as solid dyed cotton. Then we have dupatta as pure chiffon digital print. This is the top. Very beautiful design, and such a beautiful dupatta we have for it. This is the dupatta with polka dots, multicolored. I'll show you the bottom. Bottom is of mud shade, light mud shade. It is solid dyed cotton. And here we go with the dupatta. This is the design. So guys, this was it. We were back with 3 new designer catalogs in lawn cotton suits, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So place an order for yourself or for your loved ones. So the offer for today's video is, whosoever will buy it from my YouTube channel by contacting the person's details in the description box, that is mine and my father's, so you'll get an extra flat 22% off. Along with it, you'll get a surprise gift from our end. So stay tuned with it, and I'm sure you're gonna love this offer. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button of our YouTube channel, like the video, comment below, and share it with your friends and family so that everyone can enjoy this offer. And choose one for yourself, place an order as soon as possible. The offer is valid for next 3 days only. Goodbye, take care, bye bye.